Dear student, in this video we will learn chapter number 4 Geometric Construction, practice set 4.1. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it today itself. Let's start.
In the topic Geometric Construction, practice set 4.1, today we'll see how to solve question number 2, how to construct. Triangle PQR similar to triangle LTR is given. Measurements of triangle PQR are given. PQ 4.2 cm, QR 5.4 cm and PR is 4.8 cm. So here we have the measurements of triangle PQR. This can be constructed. Okay. Further, it is given, ratio is given, PQ upon LT is 3/4. So from this ratio we can see, now these two triangles are similar and the ratio is 3/4. So from here PQ corresponds to 3 and LT corresponds to 4. Ratio is 3/4. So definitely this triangle LTR is a bigger triangle. Okay. So first we'll draw the rough figure. Let us see the rough figure for this. So here we have triangle PQR. Now this is triangle PQR, and a point to be noted between these two PQR and LTR. R is a common point. We are going to mark R here. Okay. So this is now triangle is P. You can mark here Q. PQR is the triangle where PQ, well, this is 4.2 centimeter and we have RQ 5.4 centimeter and PR is 4.8 centimeter. So this triangle can be constructed. Okay, but now PQR is similar to LTR, and now see the other triangle will be outside this because the ratio is PQ upon LT is 3/4. So this is PQ, LT will come outside. So just extend this. This is a rough figure, students. So okay, so this triangle is PQR and now L will come here, LTR, and this is PQR. So first we'll construct this triangle PQR, then we'll go for constructing LTR. Yes, you all can do the rough figure. Now let's start with the actual construction. Okay, so first we are going to construct triangle PQR where RQ is 5.4. So students, you can see now RQ 5.4 centimeter. We have drawn here RQ. This is 5.4 centimeter. Okay, we can do this. Now 4.8 and this is 4.2. So you'll take distance of 4.8 and from this point R you cut an arc. Okay, 4.8 centimeter. See, here we have taken 4.8 centimeter. From this point R we'll cut an arc of 4.8. You can see that. And now okay, and then it is 4.2. So we'll take 4.2 now, and from this point Q, arc of 4.2. Just draw the proper arc. Okay, so from here 4.8 and from here 4.2. Join this. Okay, students, so this is triangle. We have got triangle PQR. Okay, you can construct this triangle PQR. Now to construct triangle LTR, okay, what we do, from this point R, you can draw an acute angle. You are going to draw an acute angle. Okay, you are going to draw an acute angle here from point R. You can draw an acute angle, any measurement you can draw. and after this, from this point R, now you can see students here, this is now, see the ratio PQ upon LT 3 upon 4. The ratio is 3:4 and the 4 is bigger. So we'll divide this, we'll take 4. So divide, you're going to cut arc here, 4 equal parts you can divide. Take distance now, take suitable distance, maybe 1 centimeter around or maybe more than that. And now from here you can see you're going to cut 4 arcs here. 1, and from this point 2, 3, and this is 4. Okay. Out of these two, whichever is bigger, draw that many arcs, and you can name this as, this is point R, so this is R1, R2, R3 and R4. Okay, we're going to mark R1, R2, R3 and R4. So students, now triangle is PQ ratio is 3. PQ ratio, you can see PQ ratio is 3. So this third part, okay, third R, okay, you can join here with this Q. See, we have drawn this third arc with this Q now. Okay, you can do it. Okay, so we have constructed triangle PQR. PQR is constructed. Now we have to get LTR, which will come outside this, So you need to extend this. You have to extend this. Okay, extend this line, and even this line you have to extend. Okay, you extend this and extend this line. Now see how we do this. This method is similar to how we did tangent without using center. Now see how we start with this. First, keep this rounder on this third part, R3. Keep it on R3 and take distance maybe just, okay, beyond that R2. Take the distance and you cut this arc. Okay, complete this arc, cut this arc. Okay, you can joining these 2 points, you cut an arc here. Now don't change the distance, and with the same distance keep it on R4. Okay, I repeat, keep it on R4 here now, and draw arc from here also. You can see that, student, you can draw from here also. I repeat once again, first you keep it on R3, see here R3, from here you draw the arc. Okay, and again keep it on R4 and draw the arc. Now we'll take this distance, student. See how we do this. You can take this distance. Okay, the arc which you have drawn, take that distance. Okay, and now with that distance, see on this ray, where is this point? Can you see this point? Okay, from this point, keep it rounder here and cut that previous arc. Okay, students, and from R4 join with this. Join R4 with this, so you are going to get a parallel line. See, this line is parallel. Now this point we are going to mark it as point T. This is point T now. So this is parallel, okay, to this. This is point T. We can do this. Now how we draw parallel line here, in the same way from this point T also we have to draw a parallel line here. Okay, from this point T also we need to draw a parallel line. Okay, you can even draw with the set square also, or we can follow the same steps. See how we do it. Keep the rounder on point Q now, and you cut an arc. Okay, see, this way you cut an arc. From this point Q you cut an arc. You can do it. And now keep the same, with the same distance, keep it on point T. Keep it on point T. Okay, point T, and with this cut an arc here also. Okay, students, you can see that first from point Q and then from point T with the same distance. Now take this distance. You can see, student, take this distance. Can you see that? Take this distance. This distance you take. Okay, take this distance, and now keep it on this point. Okay, and cut this arc once again, and with this point join point T now. Okay, and you can name, now this is point L. So students, you can see that you got triangle LTR and this is triangle PQR. Both are similar triangle. Okay, do this construction. So in the topic today we'll see geometric construction topic, practice set 4.1. Question 4. Triangle AMT similar triangle AHE. In triangle AMT, AM is 6.3 cm, angle TAM 50 degree, AT 5.6 cm, and a ratio is given AM upon AH 7 upon 5. Now we can see that this point A is common, A is a common point, and this angle A is given 50 degree. So we have the measurements of triangle AMT, so we can construct this triangle. Now see the ratio, AM upon AH 7 upon 5. So from the ratio you come to know that AM 7 and AH is 5. So this triangle AMT is a bigger triangle and AH is a smaller triangle. So we'll draw the rough figure for that. First we'll draw triangle AMT. You can see that this is triangle AMT. Here AM is 6.3. Well, this is, we'll mark 6.3 centimeter. Angle TAM 50 degree. So angle TAM, this is 50 degree given. Mark here 50 degree. Okay, and it is 5.6 centimeter. This is 5.6 centimeter. So this is the triangle AMT. Another triangle is now AHE, and the AH ratio is 5. So this point, say here we'll mark one point here H, and we'll join here. You can see that, and we'll mark point E here. So this is the triangle AMT, and the triangle is AHE. So this we have to construct rough figure. Now we'll go for the students. You can draw the rough figure. Now let us see the construction. We'll draw the base. Base AM 6.3 centimeter. You can take 6.3 centimeter. Well, this is 6.3 centimeter. Okay, you can draw the base AM 6.3 centimeter, and we draw an angle 50 degree. 50 degree angle at point A. Take the protractor and draw an angle of 50 degree. So you can see this is 40 and this is 50. Well, we have drawn this, okay, and this angle is 50 degree. Now distance of AT is 5.6 centimeter. So we'll take 5.6 now. Students, you can see we'll take 5.6. Okay, and 5.6 here, this is 5.6, and from point A you cut an arc here. You can see this, mark this as point T. This is 5.6. Okay students, and join this after. So this is triangle AMT we have constructed. AMT we have constructed, and as you can see in the rough figure, you have got triangle AMT and this triangle AHE. This HE is inside this triangle. So how we go about that? For that, you can draw an acute angle here at this point. Okay, you can draw an acute angle. Now you can see the ratio AM 7, AH is 5. The 7 is bigger, so here we are going to divide in 7 arcs. You can take small distance. You can see students, you can take small distance, maybe around 1 centimeter, and from here you are going to cut arcs. 7 arcs you are going to cut. So this is 1, this is 2, you can see this is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are the 7 arcs we have cut, and this is point A, so you can mark it as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. Okay, do this. So from this point A, we have drawn an acute angle and divide in 7 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now see the ratio, AM 7, AH is 5. So this is AM, ratio is 7. This we join with the 7th arc. Because the other triangle will be inside this, other triangle will come inside this. This is a bigger triangle. Now how we go about this? Now take the rounder. Take the rounder after this and keep it on this 7. We'll keep it on 7. Student, you can see ratio is 7 and 5. So keep it on 7 and just above, after this 6th arc, you can draw arc here. You can see that. Don't change the distance. Now keep it on 5. First on 7 and now on 5th arc you have to keep. Keep it on the 5th arc and draw an arc. You can see that. I repeat, first you keep it on 7, draw the arc 7 and then keep it on 5th and you draw the arc. Okay. Now take this distance, you can see that. Take this distance, okay. Take the distance, this arc, and now you keep it on this point, okay. And from here you cut this arc, okay. I repeat, take this distance here, and from this point you cut this arc, and now from that 5th A5, from A5 you join this. Mark this point as H. This is point H we have got. So, and now in the same way we have drawn from this H, we have drawn parallel line to this, and the method is same as this only. Now you will keep it on M and then H. Keep it on point M. Okay, take some distance and cut the arc. You can see. I repeat, keep it on point M, cut this arc. Now keep it on point H, and same distance, cut the arc. And now take this distance. You can see, students, take this distance, and with this distance from this point, cut this arc once again. I repeat, with this distance, cut the arc from here. And now with this H, you have to join this point. From this H, you can see, and mark this point as E. So students, you can see we got this triangle AMT AHE. Both are similar triangle. AMT AHE. You can do it.